Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Salesforce job. First, begin by researching common Salesforce roles such as administrator, developer, or consultant to understand the different career paths available. It's crucial to understand the core skills required for each specific position. Then, tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight any relevant Salesforce experience you possess, even if it's from volunteer work or personal projects. This initial preparation is key to a successful application. Next, focus on enhancing your Salesforce profile. Obtaining relevant Salesforce certifications, such as Administrator or Platform Developer 1, is a fantastic way to validate your expertise and demonstrate commitment. Aim for at least 1 or 2 foundational certifications. Additionally, gain practical experience through volunteer work, personal projects, or even by building solutions in a free developer org. Finally, network with professionals in the Salesforce ecosystem on platforms like LinkedIn. Connections can open many doors. Now, let's navigate the application process itself. Apply directly through the Salesforce Careers website or utilize professional job boards like LinkedIn and Indeed. Once you secure an interview, prepare thoroughly for both technical and behavioral questions. Practice discussing your experience and how you've solved problems using Salesforce. It's essential to showcase your problem-solving abilities and genuine passion for the Salesforce platform during these conversations, demonstrating your enthusiasm for the role. During your interviews, actively demonstrate your knowledge of Salesforce features and best practices. Be ready to discuss specific scenarios and solutions. Remember to ask insightful questions about the team, the role, and the company culture. This shows your engagement and genuine interest. Finally, and this is very important, send a personalized thank you note to each interviewer within 24 hours of your interview. This small gesture can make a big positive impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.